Today, I'm going to teach you how to use focus mode in Microsoft Teams meetings. This feature is incredibly useful when you're in a meeting and someone's sharing their screen, as it allows you to maximize the shared content and minimize distractions, helping you concentrate on what's being presented. In this example, I'm already inside a meeting and another participant is actively sharing their screen. You'll notice various elements on your screen, including video feeds, chat panels, and the shared content itself. While all these components can be useful, sometimes you just need to focus entirely on what's being shared without any visual clutter getting in the way. To activate focus mode, direct your attention to the top of your Teams meeting window. Here you'll find the main navigation bar with several options available. Look for and click on the option labeled View. This is your gateway to controlling how content is displayed during your meeting. Clicking on View will open up a menu that gives you different viewing options to customize your meeting experience. From the menu that appears, you'll see several choices for how to arrange your meeting layout. What you're looking for here is the option that says Focus on Content. Go ahead and click on that. This selection tells Teams that you want to prioritize the shared screen over everything else in your meeting interface. Once you click Focus on Content, you'll immediately notice the change. The shared screen from the other participant is now being focused, meaning it takes up the majority of your display. This view essentially enlarges the shared content, pushing other elements like participant videos and side panels to the background or removing them entirely from view. This way, whether someone's presenting slides, demonstrating software, or walking through a document, you can see every detail clearly without straining your eyes or getting distracted by other meeting elements. This focus mode is particularly helpful during presentations, training sessions, or any scenario where the shared content is the primary point of attention. You can always switch back to your regular view by accessing the View menu again and selecting a different layout option whenever you need to see participant reactions or engage more with the video feeds. And there you have it. You've successfully used focus mode in Microsoft Teams to concentrate on shared content during your meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.